guys, I am back. Okay, let me be real for a second. So I already filmed this video yesterday and I watched it over. I refuse. I'm coming back to do a remake. I feel like I already know I'm gonna have to give up my Ghanaian card at the end of this, but you know, I should at least fight for it. So I watched it back and I sounded like yeah baby. And I thought, how is that possible? Like how is it possible that you know what, it's okay. I just knew I'm full Ghanaian, I can come back and I can do better. So I am back and I'm just gonna keep it simple today, because the last one I mean, yeah, not tree and then makeup, so it not I'm not yet confused. Like it was like confusion has come. I didn't even know where my eyeshadow was going, where my concealer was going. The way I was thinking so hard, I couldn't even get things straight. So I will keep it simple today and we'll just get through this tutorial. And you know, I'm gonna come out strong, and even if I lose my card at the end of it, at least I fought for it, right? Okay, so Yanshasia, just so you guys know, I am born and raised in Canada. Both my parents are Ghanaian, but you know, my tree's a little, I know a little 1-2. It's not perfect, but you know, I think I could survive in Ghana. They'll all know I'm not from there, but I can survive. But anyway, so let's get into it and start this tutorial. Okay, so Yabashasya with okay Debbie, and idea maybe using my face moisturizer and make sure say over moisturizer unim air dry, and see I'm gonna take my Pond's dry skin cream. Now baby, I is soft and moisturized, so unim air dry now over foundation. Yes, so I not a year like and yeah, come out and see. Surrounding first. You see that? Okay, and see, obviously who said my eyebrow know that and see I used the MAC eyebrow pencil in the color Stud. A simple pencil. Oh, rolling it say. Not what just what you gonna say. Now I have a brush. Now we're brushing to say. Simple. And to me, I'm said yeah eyebrow no, because you need time. Okay, so let's move on. Let's keep it simple. I feel that maybe using my foundation I am any not be your one color, be your smooth, and see oh choose your foundation or make sure say a one color, make sure say a color a cone home and koto color be a like light skin color and I say brownie for color, make sure say oh you tumtuma to foundation tumtum. Remember some who will be outside with brownie for foundation color abra omoya tumtum over a flat brush and see where your friend a foundation brush, foundation flat brush in chedia, I don't know, and see you're gonna brush foundation imagine me baby, yeah, imagine me corn, imagine me chest, imagine me nsa and go top foundation be a match wo ho and no dia a lot of style Ghana form pouch matching foundation 2018. One who said after my foundation is even colors no and change it baby to me who said measure foundation I had to say fresh bow fruits one and see who minima I shiny and smooth one color to say fresh bow fruit. So your foundation I own look at to say fresh bow fruit 1 year and a year we say we'll start it over, because sometimes over to me I look at to say sweet bar and I say donut there be yeah fresh bow fruit one color smooth shiny, you know, crisp, alive. Bow fruit face is always good. Oh yeah, now I'm going to say, okay, do I look like a bow fruit? Say answer no, yeah, yes. Why idea? Let's move on. Okay, next thing, after that, me person me get highlight and contour. Highlight and contour it's to oh, maybe use the colorway. One who say a light color. Maybe yeah highlight to her, and her. Now I'm my name I slim. One who, and my her name is slim. Let me show you my main show. And the overall light color concealer or concealer. Today in our Bruffalized tree class, you have concealer. Okay. Okay. You gonna say just like this. And fanko baby me gonna say na bibia kosuna it looks like I'm young and fresh. After that, maybe find my beauty blender. The beauty blender is a sponge. And the sponge way and my makeup near even one tone, one smoothness. And see one who said aha and aha you two different colors. But me pese me who say you two different colors and we say oh use the beauty blender no na what blender line no. Okay. Simple. Me blender lines no. So to say yam pese you who line baby we say it look natural and it yeah natural look. I feel what you say my eyelid no me niso I have dark kakra and me befa sponge no beauty blender no. Na my dear say na a brighter mini so because and then the main yeah eyeshadow main yeah BBR too crazy obetimi afa natural palette to say wait I have some simple look but main yeah be okay I'm in sure more and to me if I colorway very plain simple natural color and to me yeah mini so I want to me who said me what eyeshadow to be crab but a bit look smooth a bit look at one tone oh my yes I be one who said you know am I me get confused crab I feel my person make me yes slim and see maybe if I concealer way I call her one straight line one who say I attracted light abaha and then maybe if I'm a contour color your color a tum mawo and see for me say me tum that and see was me here tum pa I contour color to say wait one who say it's very dark so oh yeah color way contour color between I BB say and see and it will be I know what the same contour and highlight color a one skin color na dependent you know I feel that we say me branded yeah oh with me I use one sa and see only brush with me I use one sa same thing you know mama you might stressed wow okay and the one who said my eyebrow no I yet to say like and you're strong be see all your makeup now who said oh eyebrow no and you're strong now I look at to say it's fading and I say BB sa but with me for a pencil I say and a the one who said I feel my eyebrow is popping I missed a step maybe start for concealer way one who said me catch you are not mean to me yeah like right process oh maybe for concealer way and it brush kitwa now my yeah eyebrow highlight to say and it is roha now watch your eyebrow sharp oh yes hey color now you're bright wow now you're blending out one who say a bright you know so now your pen and then we say you're sharp into turbo and prepare eyebrow no yeah just blend the concealer wait yeah in your tutorial biome it's just come do your makeup with me because so there may know there and go here okay after maybe family your friend is saying contour color no now my get my your friend way say oh and then my pam oh I don't know forehead now my gonna say not my mama natural color asabam because colorway the middle yeah my eyebrow no a very bright and see remember say it look at the set may change it may say some name color say me nipa tum and see remember say maybe me makeup na me that's so yet nipa tum after that maybe starting with my translucent powder and tea I'm going to bake my face maybe baking my name for the translucent powder and tea over to me who said color be warm but what do you when not a pepper I'll show you I'm in more and see one who said color be warm and see me yana say one to me who said color no but in my name yes smooth and then matte because sometimes all your foundation na when you bit me you're too shiny and see oh yeah now I have a translucent powder I so not shine not conform and see what who says shine not conform and everything it look natural see after my person your eyeliner is I don't know oh the yeah not a bright to not I'm at unia like kese and see maybe yeah just the end now my dear cost her simple straight line take your time because one take your time eyeliner no we want to say line I see her and then what's the makeup a person may use a blush to dark red and I said you know be color warm because when I use a red color now I go for bright pink beer NKWASIASEM and see take your time find it will match a winter time not when a $2 and I say and bright yeah wait me for blush way dark blush now I dare you when not look at the set call vacation and Ghana and call Dubai, any places like that. Baby, shit. My name said Menko baby, but okay, minima obekase. Oh, did you go on vacation? There be Manko baby, but it look to say Sissy and I'm free Ghana by, right? I know. Okay, next lesson of the day. And then yeah, be using brown lip pencil. Brown and match it manoha. Yeah, use black lip liner no. Touching baby because asa we're done. 2018. You be match your foundation and you use black lip liner no. I know that. What jai and the brown lip liner. Now I line my lips say and fanko baby we're not going outside with brown lips. Just outline and fanko stro. And fanko stro ha. Lip ankasa one no ankasa haya na. What do you call from? Just like that. Next lesson. Pink lipstick all the way one no so make sure set pink lipstick no and net brownie for lipstick. We said pink lipstick no we said brown be warm lipstick way a pink but and yes strong pink on daki for intimate share. Lipstick be hard daki for intimate share but obi who said Ghana for almost share. Okay, into your home. Natural pink. Natural and your pink to say there be I know that we left it in 2018 natural pink so yeah come on simple and then by force we say oh yeah bright brownie for pink. That's it. Okay, I'm say my vagina side setting spray, making sure say finishing spray and that's a setting spray is not just INSPO where there a special INSPO into odi woni mana powders ni nya I blend it together now I look at to say and yet too my friend say ashy look at to say one stronim and you prefer spray way special INSPO fixing spray and I say finishing spray and I say setting spray whatever. Nobody has spray when you just like this. Okay. After this, say I dry and tea. Yeah. One who say my name natural. Lipstick no you're natural. Foundation no it match me home. And not too bright. Eyebrow no. And not too scary. Another lesson. And my eyebrow started with hana kosiha. Ghana for. Oniwia make sure say it lines up. Or start your eyebrow na ha. Make sure say it goes up. Now cough from. Now I stop with higher and fancy inside here. What's it? Okay, and see all the lessons you need to know for 2018. This year, you're called natural and see. But that's it. Thank you for watching. Matia me yakra like trino. It meant me thinking. So me catch ya meant me ya bibia for we say me focus and I me catch because tree any makeup anyway na my basa because it take it strength to catch tree for me. But my yeah I'm say much the maker, right? Yeah, exactly. That's all that matters. And see, thank you for watching Medase. I hope that you enjoyed this video and don't be too mean, okay? So thank you guys, I really tried, and I will see you all in my next video. She know the flex.